everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today we install our T-style, Tesla style Android screen in a 2015 Porsche Macan that it didn't come with backup camera and also no nav. That's how the unit looks like after installation. By going to reverse, it shifts to backup camera with dynamic guidelines. Right now, actually, I'm connected my phone to our USB dongle for Apple CarPlay, so I can use Waze or I can use Google Maps, or I can go to Spotify, make call, use Siri. I can do all those things, and by clicking on Porsche I can go back to the main screen. We do have video, music, radio, hands-free, and all those things are here. All the apps are here. You can download any other apps, and that's the video option. If you have any video, you can watch the video. There is no video hooked up to this unit. We can add it to our USB, and radio is here, and we still can use the steering wheel control without any problem. And you see we are on 98.1. On the dash we see the same thing too, and also car info is here. We can see the RPM and other information. Car settings, so all the trip setting, all those assists and all those setups in the factory still here. If you're interested to get these type of T-style units, you can buy them online from 4x4shop.ca, or you can give us a call at 905-604-4294, and we can install them for you too. Thank you and have a great day.